Mula sa
probinsya ng Region 4A Cavite. Ito ang Balita 3. Magbigay ng bagong balita, balitang totoo at maaasahan.
Serbisyong totoo.
Chocolate Hill sa Bohol, may nakatayong resort na?
Oh my God, is it true? Showtime na sa GMA na?
Drag performer Marina Summers, nagwagi ba?
We will explore the Filipinos during the Spanish rule during the writing of Lorante and Laura by Francisco Balagtas.
Abangan mamaya. Pertasis? Wala na nga ba sa Pinas?
Good morning to all listeners. I am Lorene Aman, your English harang DJ.
At ako si Matt Andaya, ang pogi niyong DJ. Magandang araw sa iyo, Carlos. Totoo ba na may resort na sa Chocolate Hills?
Good morning to you, Matt. Captain Peak Resort in Chocolate Hills is temporarily closed due to a mayor's order for lack of an environmental compliance certificate. With Bohol Representative Christine Alexi, tutor promoting permanent closure. Balik sa'yo.
Maraming salamat, Carlos.
Did you guys know that Showtime is at GMA na? Let's know more about it from Ruby Lily.
Magandang umaga sa iyo, Lorraine. ABS-CBN CEO Carlo Katigbak emphasized that GMA vast viewership and reach give Showtime a natural advantage, aiming to combine the strongest noontime program and air them. Balik sa iyo.
Thank you, Rubilin. More news to look forward sa pagbabalik ng Balita 3.
Lolo!
Bakit apo?
Nagugutom po ako, Lolo.
Sige apo. Ano gusto mo?
Oh, pwede po ba cookies?
Pwede naman apo. Gusto mo ba yung may chocolate?
Sige po, Lolo.
Kunin ko lang yung cookbook ko.
Lolo, you can use Google.
Google? Ano yun apo?
Google is an online platform you use to search. Everyone uses it, Lolo. You can search for anything there, like everything. It is also easy and simple to access, effortless, and the best for the best. Pakita ko po sa iyo, Lolo.
Sige apo.
A few moments later.
Luto na tayo ng cookies apo.
Sige po, Lolo.
Ang sarap apo.
Kaya gamitin natin ang Google. Easy and simple to access, effortless, and the best for the best.
Maligayang pagbabalik sa Balita 3.
It is summertime indeed, right, Matt?
Totoo, Isaiah? Nanalo ba si Marina Summers sa RuPaul's Drag Race? UK versus the world?
Marina Summers finished third in the second season of RuPaul's Drag Race, UK versus the world. She performed a lip sync against Australia's Hannah Conda, who was declared the winner after being eliminated. Marina expressed her gratitude to RuPaul for inviting her and expressed her pride in making every Filipino proud. She will always be the Filipino winner to us all.
Yes, indeed, Isaiah. Marina Summers will be always our Filipino winner.
Lorene, nabasa mo na ba yung Florante at Laura?
Lorante at Laura? Siyempre naman, Matt. Bakit?
Alam mo ba kung ano ang naging sitwasyon ng mga Pilipino sa pamamahala ng mga Kastila noong pamanahong isinulat ni Francisco Balagtas ang Florante at Laura? Kasi mamaya na natin pag-uusapan.
Ha?
Yup!
Bakit hindi pa ngayon, Matt?
Secret! Babalik ang Balita Chess mamaya-maya. See you!
Look at your face. So many pimples and pores. If you want clear skin, then use Mugwork Mask.
Mugwork Mask?
If you use Mugwork Mask, then you want clear skin. Bye-bye acne and say hello to clear skin.
Paano pag ayaw ko?
Paano pag ayaw mo? If you don't want clear skin, then don't use Mugwork Mask.
If you don't use Mugwork Mask, then you don't want clear skin.
Hala, hindi makakaintindi ng joke sila kuya at ate. Ano kaya nagagawa ng mask?
Mugwork Mask can deeply exfoliate, soothe, and moisturize to leave a clear complexion. The 6th type of paste removes excessive sebum, cleanses the pores, removes dead cells, and absorbs waste. The mugwort extract replenishes moisture and soothes irritated skin.
Hydrates the skin for a plumper appearance. Reduces skin redness and inflammation. It helps control acne breakouts.
Buy yours at Watson's or your local drugstore, the best skincare in the world!
Buy mugwort mask for only 200 to 600 pesos. Bye-bye, acne!
Bye!
Ay, try ko nga!
Si Rubilin ba yan?
Oo, ang clear ng skin niya.
Rubilin, how did you achieve clear skin?
Mugwort Clay Mask for clear skin. Dermatologist approved and tested.
Maligayang pagbabalik sa Balita 3.
Matt, can we talk about the Florante at Laura na?
Pwede naman.
So Matt, what happened before sa Florante at Laura?
Si Francisco Balagtas ay pinakulong ni Nanong Capule.
Huh? Why would he do that?
Dahil gusto ni Capule ang kasintahan ni Balagtas.
Huh? So who is the real kasintahan?
Si Maria Celia Asuncion Rivera.
Ooh, so she is the kasintahan.
Alam mo ba, ginawa ni Balagtas ang Florante at Laura para kay Celia nung nasa kulungan siya.
Oh my God, Matt, really? Is that true? Did it really happen? Is that the time when the Spaniards colonized the Philippines?
Yes! Alam mo ba ang naging sitwasyon ng mga Pilipino noon ay mahigpit?
Why naman?
Ang mga lalaki lang rin ang pwede mag-aral at ang mga babae ay nasa bahay lamang upang malaman ang mga paraan ng isang asawa para sa kanilang pamilya. Nagka 8 hours rule din ang mga Pilipino na bawal na lumabas ng bahay kapag 8 PM na.
Oh my God, really?
Dumayo naman tayo sa mga naging pagsubok ni Francisco Balagtas habang sinusulat niya ang Florante at Laura.
Yeah, Matt, let's dayo sa pagsubok ni Francisco Balagtas habang sinusulat niya ang Florante at Laura. So, you should tell me more.
Kagaya ng sinasabi ko kaganina, habang sinulat ni Francisco Balagtas ang Florante at Laura, na pinag-isipan niya kung ano na ang kalagayan ng kanyang minamahal na si Maria Asuncion Rivera na tinatawag natin na si Celia o si MAR. Habang sinusulat niya ito, nag-reminisce siya para maalala niya ang mga masasaya nilang nakaraan.
So, Balagtas really loved Celia. I feel bad for Balagtas. Imagine losing the love of your life.
Naging inspirasyon niya rin ang mga tao na dumating sa kanyang buhay. Katulad ni Celia, inspirasyon niya para sa karakter na si Laura.
Grabe talaga yung love ni Balagtas for Celia, no?
Totoo! Mahal na mahal ni Balagtas si Celia.
I will definitely read Florante at Laura later.
Sama ako! Ngayon, balik na tayo sa mga balita. May bagong sakit na daw, Lorin.
Oh my God, what's the new disease? Is it a variant from COVID-19?
Hindi! Pertussis!
Huh? Pertussis? What kind of sakit is that?
Whooping cough, pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory tract infection.
Whooping cough? How is it even transmitted?
Pertussis, bacteria are spread through droplets produced during coughing or sneezing.
How can we avoid the pertussis?
Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you sneeze or cough.
Oh my God, do we really need to wear face masks?
We still need a face mask to avoid the pertussis.
Does pertussis have a vaccine?
Oh! Diphtheria tetanus pertussis, or we can call it DTaP vaccine. It protects against whooping cough, diphtheria, and tetanus.
What are the symptoms of pertussis?
Pag-ubo na may whooping sounds, fever, sore eyes, at runny nose.
Grabe naman the symptoms for pertussis. It's just like COVID.
Kaya sa mga viewers namin dyan, mag-ingat kayo!
By the way, before me and Matt end this broadcasting, we have a special performance for our viewers.
We have Love and Trust and Sacrifice performing their song, Reach the Stars!
Come on and let's give them a round of applause.
Sometimes I feel it's a fiction. Sometimes I feel like that I can't stand strong at all. Sometimes I feel that I'm weak. Sometimes I give up cause I think it's impossible. But I know with God, I know their faith will not be lost. Please trust in God, I know that He will help us. We shall love our God, He'll never betray and leave us. We'll worship God and His Son our Savior. We will feed those with hunger. We will feed those from sickness. We will help those with problems. We will bless those in hardship. We'll succeed through God. We should always know that He forgives. We should always know that He loves us. We should always know that He helps us. God helps us to good in His name.
Ang galing nila, di ba? Let's give another round of applause to Love, Trust, and Sacrifice.
And with that, we will end our radio broadcasting. I am Loreen Aman with my partner, Matt Andaya.
Hanggang sa susunod, ito ang Balita 3.